Okay, so now after going over solving systems of three equations, now we're gonna do problem solving using systems of three equations. Section 12.3, problem solving using systems of three equations. So we're gonna have to set up each problem with its three systems of three equations and then solve it using elimination, exactly what we did in 12.2. So let's go over a couple of examples. Number 8, page 1035. Let's see what it says. A company makes a total of 500 puppets in three sizes during a production run. So there are three sizes. There's the small puppet that costs $5 to make, so the cost is $5, and it sells for $8 each. Sells for $8 each, a profit of $3. The standard size costs $10 and it sells $16 for $16, and the super size costs $15 to make and it sells for $25. The total cost to make the puppets is $4,750. So let's have a total cost to make all of them is $4,750, and revenue from their sale is $7,700. How many small standard, so the number of how many small standard and supersized puppets are made during a production? Remember, they make a total of 500 puppets, so the total here is 500. So we have three equations right there. X plus y plus z equals 500. If it costs $5 to make one of them, one small puppet, it's gonna cost 5x to make all the x of them, plus ny to make all y of the standard, and then 15z to make all the supersized puppets, and the total cost is $4,750. Same thing with the revenue, 8x plus 16y plus 25z is $7,700. So let's label them equations 1, 2, and 3. So we're going to solve by elimination. So I'm going to times equation 1 by -5, because I want to add it to equation 2. So -5x minus 5y minus 5z is -2,500. Add it to equation 2. 5x plus 10y plus 15z is 4,750. So that's gonna eliminate x, and we get 5y plus 10z equals 2250, and everything is divisible by 5. Let's make our numbers smaller. So equation 4 is y plus 2z is 450. Okay, now I want to eliminate x again. So I'm going to times equation 1 by -8. So -8 times equation 1 would be -8x minus 8y minus 8z. -8 times 500 is -4,000. With equation 3, 8x plus 16y is 25z is 7,700. So we get 8y plus 17z equals 3700. So if you look at equation 4, we can isolate y to get y equals 450 minus 2z. Take all this and plug it in equation 5. 8 times 450 minus 2z plus this guy is 17z is 3700. Distribute the 8. 3600 minus 16z plus 17z is 3700. So 3600 plus z 3700. So they're gonna have to make and sell 100 supersized puppet. And then y is 450 minus 2z, so let's find y. So y is 450 minus 2z, but z is 100. So y is 450 minus 200, so they're gonna make 250 the standard size puppets. And then to find x, we go back to the very first equation. X plus y plus z is 500. X plus 250 plus 100 is 500. So x is 150 small size puppet. And we have solved the problem. Let's look at page 1036, number 18. Page 1036, number 18. See what